Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, your go-to destination for all things cutting edge in the world of technology. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's been buzzing in the 3D printing community, the Cura 3D printer. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Cura 3D printing software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced enthusiast, understanding Cura can significantly enhance your 3D printing projects. In this video, we'll explore the essentials, tips, and tricks to master Cura and achieve high-quality prints. 1. What is Cura? Cura is an open-source slicing software designed specifically for 3D printing. It acts as a bridge between your 3D model and the printer, converting the digital design into instructions that the printer can understand. Here are some key features of Cura. User-friendly interface. Cura provides an intuitive interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Customizable settings. You can fine-tune various parameters such as layer height, infill density, print speed, and support structures. Support generation. Cura automatically generates support structures for overhangs and complex geometries. Preview mode. Visualize your sliced model layer by layer before printing. 2. Installation and setup. Before diving into slicing, let's get Cura up and running. 1. Download Cura. Visit the official Cura website and download the latest version. 2. Install and launch. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. 3. Printer configuration. Add your 3D printer to Cura by selecting the appropriate model from the printer list. Configure settings like build volume and nozzle diameter. 3. Slicing your model. Now that Cura is installed, let's slice our 3D model. 1. Import your model. Load your 3D model, usually in STL format, into Cura. 2. Orientation. Position the model on the build plate. Consider factors like overhangs and support structures. 3. Layer settings. Adjust layer height, infill density, and print speed based on your preferences. 4. Support structures. Enable or disable supports as needed. 5. Generate G-code. Click Slice to create the G-code file that your printer will understand. 4. Fine-tuning tips. Layer height. Smaller layer heights, e.g., 0.1 mm, result in smoother surfaces but longer print times. Infill density. Higher infill percentages make the print stronger but consume more material. Print speed. Balance speed with print quality. Experiment to find the sweet spot. Cooling. Proper cooling prevents warping and improves layer adhesion. 5. Printing and troubleshooting. Transfer G-code. Save the sliced G-code to an SD card or directly connect your printer to your computer. Monitor the print. Keep an eye on the first few layers to ensure proper adhesion. Common issues. If you encounter issues like stringing, layer shifting, or poor adhesion, refer to Cura's troubleshooting guides. 6. Updates and community. Stay updated. Regularly check for Cura updates to access new features and improvements. Community support. Join online forums, such as the Ultimaker community, to seek advice and share experiences. Remember, mastering Cura takes practice, so experiment, learn, and enjoy the journey of bringing your digital creations to life. If you're a maker or someone curious about the world of 3D printing, Cura might just be your perfect companion. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy printing!